In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Spotify desktop playing random songs. If Spotify keeps switching to tracks you did not choose, the good news is that this is usually caused by a few settings inside the desktop app. We're going to go through each one carefully so you can stop the random song changes and get Spotify playing exactly what you want. First, open Spotify desktop and start playing any song or playlist. Then look at the playback bar at the bottom of the screen. Find the shuffle icon. If it's highlighted, that means shuffle is turned on, and Spotify may play songs in a random order. Click the icon until it is no longer highlighted. Once it looks inactive, shuffle is off. Next, turn off autoplay. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and open Settings. Scroll down until you find the autoplay section. Turn off the option for playing similar songs when your music ends. This setting is one of the most common reasons Spotify seems to keep choosing songs on its own after your selected music finishes. After that, check your queue, because this is very important. At the bottom right of Spotify, click the queue icon. This opens the list of songs that are lined up to play next. If you see extra tracks there that you didn't add, that can explain the random playback. If needed, clear the queue so Spotify stops following that list. Now make sure you are not using Smart Shuffle. Start playing a playlist and look for Smart Shuffle, which may appear with a sparkle icon. If that mode is enabled, turn it off. Smart Shuffle can insert recommended songs into your playlist, which often makes it feel like Spotify is randomly changing music. Use only normal shuffle or regular play mode if you want predictable playback. If the settings all look correct and the problem continues, restart Spotify desktop completely. Close the app by clicking the X, then open Task Manager using Control, Shift, and Escape. Find the Spotify process and end it so the app fully shuts down. Then reopen Spotify. This helps refresh the app and can fix stuck playback behavior. You can also log out and log back in. Click your profile icon, select Log Out, close Spotify, then open it again and sign back in. This can reset account-related playback issues. If Spotify is still broken after all of that, reinstall the app. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Spotify, and uninstall it. After that, download Spotify again from the official download page, install it, and sign in. If songs are still changing automatically, Shuffle or Smart Shuffle is probably still on. If the queue keeps adding songs, autoplay is likely on. And if this only happens in playlists, the playlist probably has Smart Shuffle enabled. Following these checks should solve the problem.